conclusion.
Yes, saying in conclusion, I am here today with my life change in ways that I could never have predicted simply for doing my job, a job that I had been wanted to leave more than once, multiple times in fact. I was wanted not to continue with it, and I am sure if I had gone to my commander and said the stakes are high, I would have been released from the investigation. But what do we say to the families who have lost their loved ones?
Witness
and then who dependent to the police like myself to get to the closure? Because it will then mean that they will have no one to turn to if it is us that are running away from the pressure that we are facing.
Witness A?
Yes, Commissioners.
Can you hear us?
I can hear you, Commissioners.
Okay, can you just continue from I was warned not to continue on 127?
I was saying I was warned not to continue with this investigation, and I am sure if I had gone to my commander and said that the stakes are too high, I would have been released from this investigation. But what do we say to the families who have lost their loved ones and depended on us to bring the murderers to book? Who will investigate these matters if we all choose to leave when the stakes got too high? I have been told that this investigation is dangerous and I am going to die. This is true. But if I had to do it all over again, I would. If I had received that call on the 17th April 2024, telling me to go to an active crime scene in Bramley, but if I do my life
Witness
at risk, I will be in a safe house. I will do it again if I knew that it would make a difference in other people's lives. Even if the safe house options was not in place, I would still do it all over again. I have met the families of the victims, and and when I speak to them, they are grateful for the work that we are doing as a team, even those families where arrests have not yet been made. They appreciate that someone is working on the case to bring justice for their loved ones. The satisfaction of knowing that I am making a difference.
Witness A, are you okay? The witness is asking for a minute, Chair.
Let's adjourn. You let us know.